Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we make a young lady's dreams come true. Cue the intro. So, for many years, my daughter Paige here, who is now 11 years old, she basically has been going to the bike shows with me. She's obviously seen me riding lots of bikes and creating the YouTube channel and being a big part of one of the fans almost who actually enjoy watching the stuff that's going on.
Yes.
Now, my older son, when he turned 13, I got some old-fashioned full leather bike gear so he could go on the back of the bike. And he's been on the back of the bike a couple of times, but Paige has always turned around and said, constantly, can I go on the back of the bike yet? And I keep going, when you're 13 years old, all you can fit into the bike kit. So every once in a while, I get that cheeky little like, can I go and try the bike kit on now? I was like going, yeah, all right then, but you're still too young. And then this morning, you did exactly the same. You said, can I try the bike kit on, Dad? I really want to go on the back of the bike. So I was like going, yeah, go on then, try it on. And you came downstairs, and what did you say?
It fits.
And then that was it. The promise was made, when she fits, she can go on the back of the bike. So you're excited?
Very.
Okay, so simple rules to going on the back of the bike, okay? It's very simple rules. You've got to wrap your hands around, be able to hold on the entire time, okay? Feet have got to stay on the pegs, okay? And you move with me as we move. Don't try and counter lean, don't try and lean the opposite way. And basically, just stay with me, hold on, and stay nice and safe.
Okay.
So we'll go for a short ride, see what you think to the bike, and then what we'll do from there is we'll go a little bit further. But what I'll say is, another simple rule, if you want me to stop or slow down, tap me. And as soon as I'll slow down, as soon as I can, I'll stop and I'll ask you what's wrong. Okay? So what are the rules?
I can't lean to like the opposite side that you are, or just lean over.
Yeah.
And I can tap you if you need to slow down or need to stop.
That's it, and keep your feet on the pegs.
Keep the pedal, yeah.
Okay? Cool. Right, okay. Well, what we'll do is, we'll get our kit on, and I'll take you on, basically, a really cool motorcycle. So I don't have a Harley, all I have is a Triumph Bonneville, and the proper British classic Triumph Bonneville, and it's perfect. You can hold on, it's not high off of the ground, you'll be perfectly fine.
Can't get any better then.
Happy day. Shall we go?
Yep.
Let's roll. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you feel safe?
Yes.
You definitely got all the kit on. Right,
yes.
Let's get the bike out. Okay, you put your foot on there first. Leg up and on, you on? Right. Whoa, stop, leg out. Foot on the peg. Foot on the peg. Foot on the peg, okay? Sorted? You sure? You ready? Okay, remember what I said, okay? Feet stay on the pegs, arms stay around me. You want to stop, tap, 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 tap. We're going to take it really nice and steady, alright? Poor old body's not been out for a while. First thing, fuel. We're off, Paige. Alright? Loving it? Woohoo! You're a biker girl now. Oh, it feels weird riding a big heavy bike after all this time. And this isn't really that big and heavy. But that used to these little monkey cycle. I thought I can't wait to ride again. And then obviously having the vision for the charity trip is the same kind of deal really. Super light. Where this is just rounded and heavy and you back to proper leaning, it's just woof. Bless her. I'm so happy that she's able to fit in the kit and come on the back. It's always a really nervous thing as a father taking a child on the back of a bike for the first time because you don't know how they're going to react, how they're going to be. But she's holding on nice and tight, not stretched to get onto the pegs. So we're pretty secure on that basis. Feels good. It's alright. Keep her safe. It's all that matters.
A little bit of anxiousness, I'm not gonna lie. She's only 11, but she's a sensible 11-year-old, so it's all gonna be good. It's all gonna be good. Just nice and steady, nice and steady. Bit of splash and dash of the old fuel. Put this down. Bit of splash and flash of the old fuel, and we'll go somewhere really pretty. The weather's quite windy and quite breezy. That's nice, so we're not going to overheat. And the Bonnie, as always, what a true little machine this is. She's doing well. She's doing well. She hasn't tapped me. There's no panicking. The bigger question will be at the end of this: did she love it? Would she want to do it again? And is she going to buy a motorcycle before she buys a car? Right, okay. Let me pop this up for a sec. So I want to talk about really quick. It's something amazing happened this morning, and again, it's overwhelming for me as a YouTuber, as a creator, as a person that takes a lot of time, many hours of editing, and obviously large investments of money to be able to keep producing episodes the way that I do. And another person today has signed up to Patreon. Another person of their own hard-earned money is supporting the channel to the extreme that they're happy to give me some of that hard-earned money to help fund this channel. And that amazing person who signed up to a high tier as well, a person that wanted to come on the last adventure and ordered a new Honda monkey cycle but didn't arrive in time. The man, a great supporter, and a big thank you to you, sir. His name is Hoppo. You, my friend, are an absolute legend. Hoppo, your support means the world, and welcome to the executive patron team. As you've seen, there is videos already lined up that are ready to go out on YouTube. You get to see them first, and I hope you enjoy them, my friend. And fingers crossed, you're going to make the next adventure. Now, Hoppo, the legend of a man that he is, he has got his own YouTube channel. He's just starting off. I was his first subscriber, so if you want to have a little search for Hoppo and go and join him, he's going to start creating videos soon, and like I said, hopefully make it on the next Helmet Head adventure. So it's going to be awesome. Welcome aboard, Hoppo. Welcome aboard, my friend. We've just put a bit of fuel in. We're going to take it really easy. Stick local, stick country, keep her nice and safe. I'm going to take her somewhere we've got a nice pretty view, we can chill out, and then we'll try and do some cool footage. But she's starting to take a look around a bit now. She's relaxed a little bit on the back. She's still holding on nice and tight. That's great to know. So yeah, positive. We pulled at Pet Station and said you enjoyed it. She said it's wicked. So we're getting there, people. We're getting there. This is so cool. It's a nice, amazing thing to be able to have your daughter on the back of your bike for the first time, knowing that she can come on these little rides together, a little bit of quality time. A lot of people are scared of doing it, but if you know that they have got the understanding that they can hold on, they know the right from wrong, they've got a bit of streetwise to them, as in they know that, you know, it's dangerous if she lets go, and it's dangerous if she messes around. You're all good. As long as those feet touch the pegs, the bike here that she's got is probably more protected than what I've got on, so she's nice and safe. So yeah, what a magic moment. What an absolutely amazing moment. My little 11-year-old, my oldest daughter, can come on the back of a motorcycle. I'm well happy.
You're gonna need lights to climb a mountain. You gotta keep the light close to you. I'll be the pillar when you're stumbling, and in my arms I'll keep you. I love is all I need to show it. You'll be forever in my heart. A simple smile and then I know it. Nothing will ever make us part. Oh, and I will keep you safe and sound. I will always be around. I will keep you safe and sound. I will always be around. Oh.
Well, we made it somewhere pretty. Paige made it on the back of the bike. She held on perfectly, bless her. So I feel really comfortable now that she's able to go on the back and be nice and safe. Obviously, it's been an amazing time. What do you think, Paige?
It's amazing.
Would you now rather buy a car or a motorbike first?
1,000,000% a motorbike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you love it that much?
Yes.
Yeah? Is this one of the best days of your life?
Yes.
There you go. All you need is a motorbike. You don't need any of that fancy stuff. Just take them for a spin, spend some time with your children and let them enjoy it. But yeah, what an amazing, amazing day. Well, what an amazing day. I get to tick off one of my daughter's dreams that she wanted to do. She's well happy. She's just literally jumping up and down in the house now going like, I want to go again. So that's absolutely fantastic. And for me as a parent, knowing that she can safely hold on the back, she can fit into the safety gear and she's really good on the back of the bike is brilliant, because then I can take her on some little adventures again in the future. So yeah, what a great day. And then just to top it all off, I got a new patron who's supporting the channel. So that's, you know, a new person who's putting their hard-earned money into the channel to help us grow. Also, they get to see everything first. And all the patrons, just thank you to you all. You're all fantastic. You guys mean so much to me, and you all really do help me make this channel be able to keep producing videos at the way that it's going, because it costs money, and your support and your help is fantastic. So Hoppo, welcome to the team. Thank you so much, and I look forward to watching your journey on YouTube as you start to create videos yourself. Fantastic. Thanks, buddy. I also want to say a huge thank you to all the people that subscribe to the channel, the people that come along, watch the premieres, watch the videos, give a thumbs up and leave us a comment. That's absolutely brilliant. Again, thank you. We are growing quicker and quicker, so you guys must be sharing it and helping me out, because it is growing quick, so I appreciate that. Thank you. And of course, the most important thing right now, the most important thing in life, where, you know, it is the be all, the end all, the holy gospel of things to turn around and say, remember, eat pies, ride motorcycles, be happy. See you in the next adventure. Bye bye for now.